Want these cool swags but confused how to get them? He'll talk about a new opportunity that is Google Cloud Arcade, which is a Google Cloud campaign where you learn about cloud computing and get some cool goodies which you are seeing over here. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. Let me tell you about the Arcade program. It's a program which is owned by Google itself. Here you can see these are the badges, and inside the badges there are some labs. When you complete these labs, you get some Arcade points which acts as a coin which you can use to redeem the swags. It's very simple. So if I just show you a quick demo, let me just click on start over here. So here you can see these are the labs. Okay, you have to complete all these labs, and when you complete all these labs you get some points which you can use for redeeming the swags. Now how to participate in this event? First of all, you need a Cloud Skills Boost account. So how to create one? You have to simply click on the link which I have shared in the description. You can simply join in case you don't have account and create account with Google directly. I can use the traditional method of email, ID and password. Okay. So here you have to enter all your details and click on create account, and it will ask your date of birth. Make sure it's 18 plus, otherwise your account will be deleted. Now I already have account. So once you create the account, your dashboard will look like this. And here your dashboard will look like this. Here what you need to do, if you get any pop-up like register for gear, you have to simply click on close, then come over here and go to the settings. The first step what you need to do, after creating the account, you have to come down over here, click on this checkbox like this, and just update the settings. You can see your profile is now public. Now for getting swags, you need to be subscribed to their newsletter. So how you have to do it, you have to come over here and simply click on subscribe here. Now here in the subscription form, you have to enter the same email with which you have registered over here. So simply copy it like this, paste it and just next. Okay. If you want to read these rules, you can read it. Okay, yes, and simply submit it. Now same copy will be mailed to you, means whatever you have filled, and that means you are subscribed. Now you can start attending the games. Now here you can see these are the arcade games, and we have to complete all these games because if you are watching this video on February, so you need to complete February game. See, let me tell you a quick guide. Each month we are having 11 arcade points from 10 games, right? How? There'll be some trivia games, there'll be some special games, there'll be some certification zone. But this month specifically, we have 14 points due to Valentine season. So here you can see these two games are special games and the certification zone. And one more 2-pointer game is not live. So we are getting 6 points instead of 3, right? So you can see total we are having 14 arcade points in this month. So every month from, if you're starting from today itself or in February, from February we are getting 14, and each month there will be 11 arcade points. So Feb, March, April, May, June. So total it becomes 44 plus 14, right? 44 plus 40, it will become 58 points. So with 58 points, you can get very good swags. So you can just take part in. And most of you are wondering that there are 95 points in the previous cohort. So how we can reach over there? So there are some skill badges also, which you need to do in the Facilitator program. Now what is Facilitator program, right? For Facilitator program, I'll make a specific video. Do not worry about it. In Facilitator program, we have to do some of the tasks. If you want to know, there is a dedicated video for it. You have to do the same task. You have to do some skill badges, laugh courses, and you get some bonus points. For example, if you are having 20 points with the Arcade program, with Facilitator, it will just add up to 25 or 15 like this. They will be add on. In simple words, it's a bonus points. It's a bonus giving, just like you have got bonus marks in your schools and colleges. Similarly, Facilitator program is like that only. As it will be starting on April and May, so we are advising you to complete all the arcade games. Okay, these games will be expiring on 28th of February. So hurry up and complete the February game, right? And after that, every month there'll be games. For the solutions, we have prepared a master sheet over here. You can see this is the monthly games master sheet. If you just open over here, so on the left, you can see all these games are there, and on the right is the solution guide. And if you want to directly navigate through the playlist, you can simply open the playlist section, and you can see there are multiple challenges also live, and there are multiple solution guide. You can see all these solution guides are there. You can complete it easily. So once you complete these challenges, do you get the swags directly? No. After the event ends, mostly this is cohort 1, that is from Jan to June. So it will mostly end in June. So after June, you'll be getting a email. Okay, every month, how will you counting your points? How to count the points means how to get the points information. You'll be getting a Arcade Insider email, which will act the point details. It will be giving you all the points whatever you have earned, right? So you need to wait for the Arcade Insider. Each month you will be getting the Arcade Insider email. It will contains like you have earned 11 points, 14 points, 13 points. Like this, it will mention and it will be added each month. So you have to continue till June. And once the event ends, you'll be getting a final email where mostly details regarding how to claim the swags. It's basically a form where you have to enter your address details and your swags get shipped. And after ordering, apart from 2 to 3 months, it will hardly take and you'll be getting your swags. So this is a simple process in the arcade program that we complete challenges, we get the points, and when you complete the challenges we get the points, and when you earn the points you get some chance to redeem the swags. Okay, and that points are valid for that cohort only. One more important thing, if you are starting from February, do not complete these work meet play series game because it's impossible to earn points as you have missed the January month. So this is a quick thing I wanted to share. If you're interested in watching the detailed guide in Hindi and English, you can see I have already covered each and everything. You can surely watch it and understand about the event. Similarly, here also, if you want to know more, like most of you are asking about the leaderboard, you are asking about the skill badges, all the details I've already covered. So make sure to check it out. Now that's all about this video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.